Here's your Honda Accord key fob, and you'll need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. First thing, press this button, get the physical key out, and now right over there in that slot is where you pull the screwdriver. Don't shove it in all the way, just get it right there at the edge and then give it a firm twist. This is the important part. Give it a firm twist and that's going to pry it open just a little bit. Now follow along that edge and then twist it again a couple more times, and that's going to pry the cover open. Get this back cover and set it aside, and that's the battery. To get the battery out, you can just use your thumbnails or you can use your screwdriver. Either way, the battery comes off easily. The positive side is marked with a plus sign, negative side has no markings on it. The battery size is CR2032. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon, and then put it down back in there with the positive side facing upwards. And it just goes back in, and press it to secure it. This light is blinking, that is good. Now let's just get this back cover and put it back onto this key fob, and then press it together to secure the clips. And let's not forget to put the physical key back in there. And now let's go outside and try this out. This is working fine, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.